Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Office with the error code 0x20-0x0 in Windows. So this error most often occurs while activating Microsoft Office, typically with the message something went wrong, sorry we ran into our problems. And this is a common error related to activations issues, problem with the Office licensing service, which validates your license on Microsoft server. And the reasons are possibly corrupted license data, networking issues, corrupted and Windows files. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to repair Microsoft Office. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type control panel and then click open. And once you open up this control panel, and then we need to modify, so you can see this view by, and then click this arrow and then select large icons to see all settings. And then next step, then you need to find and locate this programs and features, and then you need to click. So here at programs and features on right side, and then you need to find and locate this Microsoft Office. So scroll down and then select this Microsoft Office. So select and then right click and then select change. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. Alright, so pop up this Microsoft. So how would you like to repair your Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office programs? And then you need to select this online repair, and then next step, and then click this repair. And then Microsoft, so ready to start an online repair, and then next step, then you need to click this repair again and wait to complete the repairing process for Microsoft Office. Alright, so once you're done the repair for the Microsoft Office, and then we need to close these programs and features. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to check the network connectivity. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters. And again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select network and internet. And on right side, then you can see here this run, and then click. Then we will redirect here at help and support. So all you have to do is to follow the step-by-step procedures and methods to fix this error. So you can see here the complete informations on how to fix this issue. So once you're done here at help and support, and then we need to close, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft Office with the error code 0x2-0x0 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.